Good morning, or should I just say morning. Got up early today because the dog needed to go out. Now, for breakfast, I'm not quite awake yet. And I usually just have 2 eggs over easy, but I don't know if I can manage that so early this morning. So I'm going to show you just a breakfast thing that I do when I'm in a hurry. And maybe your kids would like it. Maybe even you would. And it's called cereal. I'm just going to have a bowl of cereal, but a little bit different than probably what you do. Just pour the cereal in there. Now, probably most of you would put this milk in the cereal. Well, I don't like milk. Never have liked milk. I even wrote a paper in college saying how bad milk was for you. But I will say the milk producers did have a very good marketing company because they got the world thinking it's nature's most perfect food. Well, I still don't like it. So I don't use it on my cereal. What do I use? I use, well, orange juice. Now you may say, orange juice, and maybe it's because I grew up in Bradenton, the home headquarters of Tropicana, but I think you can always use orange juice for a lot of things. Just open it up, put it on your cereal, and you don't have to put sugar on it. You get vitamin D, C, all kinds of good stuff in it. And I'll have to admit one other thing. I got up so early today I didn't even wipe it on the counter. But you know, I didn't touch anything either. So, bon appetit. That's good. And you know what? If there's still stuff in the bottom after you eat the cereal, you can drink the orange juice. That's all for today.